in a line. Ants are busy, working just fine. E is for bear, be bear. Roar, roar, big and bold. Bears got power, strong and cold. C is for cat, cat meow, meow. Owl and chase the ball. Cat so playful, loves to crawl. D is for dog, dog. Woof, woof, bark loud and clear. Dogs are happy, bringing cheer. A is for elephant, elephant. Big ears stop, stomp, stomp. Elephants march, they never stop. F is for fish, fish. Splash, splash in the sea. Fish swim so wild and free. G for goat, goat. Bop, bop. Jump and run, goats have fun under the sun. H is for hippo, hop hippo. Splash, splash in the cool river. Hippos love to make us quiver. I is for iguana, iguana. Slow and steady, climb up high. Iguanas reach for the sunny sky. J is for jaguar, jaguar. Sneak, sneak through the trees. Jaguars fast moving with ease. K is for kangaroo, kangaroo. Hop, hop in the Aussie sun. Kangaroos are always having fun. L is for lion, lion. Roar, roar, loud and proud. The lion stands out in the crowd. M is for monkey, monkey. Swing, swing from tree to tree. Monkeys are wild and so carefree. N is for narwhal, narwhal. With a horn like a unicorn. Narwhal swim where dreams are born. O is for owl, owl, owl. Woo, woo, woo. Flying at night, I'll see clearly in the moonlight. P is for penguin, penguin. Waddle, waddle on the ice. Penguins slide, oh so nice. Q is for quail, quail, quail. Tweet, tweet through the grass. Quails run quickly, they're so fast. R is for rabbit, rabbit, rabbit. Hop, hop, hop in the green grass. Rabbits love to run so fast. S is for snake, snake. Slither, slither on the ground. Snakes move silently all around. T is for tiger, tiger. Growl, growl with stripes so bright. Tigers roar in the moonlight. U is for unicorn, ooh unicorn. Gallop, gallop with a shiny horn. Unicorns are magic, they're born to adorn. V is for vulture, viva the vulture. Fly high above the trees. Vultures soar with up a breeze. W is for whale, grub whale. Splash, splash in the deep blue sea. Whales swim so wild and free. X is for Z, X is for Xerus. Xerus in the desert, running around. Xerus play on the sandy ground. Y is for yak, yee, yak. Big and fluffy in the snow. Yaks love the cold, they like to go. Z is for zebra, zebra. Stripes, stripes, black and white. Zebras run through the day and night.